Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today it's time to stuff that money, honey. Anyway, I tried. Don't hate me for it. Anywho, we're gonna be stuffing about $2,336 between this video and the next. And before we get going, happy Mother's Day, y'all. Welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Like I said before, happy Mother's Day, y'all. For all the mothers with the babies, all the mothers with the fur babies, happy Mother's Day to all of you. We are going to start with the money pouch, as always. And we're going to count up the money and we're going to place it in our little, I don't even know if I gave my tray a name. But if not, then we're gonna have to name the tray. And you know what? I still said that I need to put money pouch on here. I will eventually. Anywho, let's get this money counted and we're gonna bring out old reliable. So one moment. All right, bringing out old reliable. Let's start with our hundreds. Okay, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 hundreds. So it's 1400 plus 50s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That's 400. And then we have our 20s. Let's make this a quick video, y'all. I actually need to go grocery shopping, so I was like, I can't go until I make this video. All right, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 460 plus 460. A whole whopping 2 tens, y'all. 20. Get the 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40. Every time I count 5s, I think about Schoolhouse Rock. Do you guys? Who remembers Schoolhouse Rock? That's how I learned how to count by 5s, you know? And then the one with the bill. I'm just a bill. Yeah, I'm only a bill. And I'm sitting here on Capitol Hill. Who remember that? All right, ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. 16. $2,336 today, and that's what we're going. Well, we're not going to stuff all that, but between this one and our next one with our savings challenges, that's how much we're going to be stuffing. So let's bring out our beautiful, our wonderful, the wallet. All right, Miss Wallet. Let's see what she got for us. Nothing in personal. We have a little bit in groceries. We got a whole Franklin in there. Okay, I don't have nothing to eat out, and we have some in our $1, so you know that's going into our BAJ, a big ass jar. And I think my wife has 100 too. I mean, not 100, but a dollar. So I have to get that from her before we do our next video. So let's close this up, and we're gonna go back to the beginning of time, and we're going to do 5 100s, Lord Jesus. 5 20s to make up our 100 for personal. We have 20, 40, 60, 81. I did good, didn't look. Make sure I didn't pick up more than, okay. So we set this 20 aside for our eat out. And of course, Mr. Jackson, we need to see your face. Put you in here. Skip over to eat out and put this lonely one. It's okay, Mr. Jackson. All right, so you're in eat out. We're gonna flip back up to groceries. Groceries is going to get 400. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Franklin looking at me like, you should have did this beforehand. All right. Gas is going to get $200. I do 2 Mr. Franklins for my big, beautiful beast outside. Gas went down where I think I saw 409 and 408. I think my wife said when she put gas this morning it was like 405 at Wawa. So it's going slowly but surely. All right, so that's it for my wallet. My beautiful wallet. Let's close her up, move her out the way. And now we're gonna do the wife's personal. She's going to get 520s as well this go round. 20, 40, 60, 81. And for her gas, we're going to do 350s. I did that one. Let's do this crease for Miss Hazel. 50, 150. So gas and personal, so it's 250. Wifey's gonna get that. Now let's go over to the other wallets. Oh, not wallets, what am I thinking about? The other binders, hello. All right, we're going to the people binder, in which majority of the people in here is not gonna get stuff, but we'll go through it. So, as you guys know, I'm doing a break on all of the kids and the dog, and you know what? After school ends, I'm going to take the allowance money and divvy it up between them. So then anything during the summer that we need or that they need, I'm going to start using their sinking funds. Just little by little, not a lot. If it's something that is not going to be coming out of our pocket, if it's something extra, anything like that, we'll just take it from theirs. Anywho, moving on. Shania gets nothing right now. Nadia gets nothing. Kaimana gets nothing. Pumbaa gets nothing. Allowance gets $40. Take an allowance. And it's a good amount in here. And I'm super happy. My oldest, the one, she's doing some other editing right now for TikTok and Instagram, but she wants to start working this summer. So whoop-de-whoop, we're proud about that. Anywho, all right, we put the $40 in here. So allowance has 12, I'm gonna count by twos, you guys. Nope, I'm not, maybe, I don't know, let's see. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 370, 375, 376, 377, 378, 379, 380. So we have 380 in allowance right now. Now the real MVP for this stuffing is my brother. Like, he has been doing the darn thing and he has been sending me money. He's still trying to send me more money. We're just trying to figure out a better way to send a large amount of money, but he's been doing the thing and I'm so proud of him. So he is getting 100, 50, 70, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. $179, y'all. So I'm super proud of him for sending that much. We all know that sometimes you got to take a step back and you have to realize, you know, what's important. And once you realize what's important and you make a plan and you use that plan to get yourself ahead. I always say, I don't take lemons to make lemonade. I take lemons to make apple juice. Because then you have people wondering, how the hell did you make apple juice out of lemons? That's the thing. All right, so my brother has 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 270, 280, 290, 300, 305, 310, 315, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $324. You go, Bill. All right, so that's it for our people binder. We're gonna put this on the side and away. And we're gonna go to our binder. Come on, act right, act right. We don't got time for that. HOA, you guys know is our homeowners association, and that gets $63. So here's our 320s, 1, 2, and 3 ones. So let's put this together. And let's count 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 180, 181, 182, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 192 for homeowners association. And nope, I did not update my trackers. Let's see, home improvement, which is household, gets a whole, let's turn this around, $50. Why you want to jump out my hands? Who did what to you? Not me. So we have 1, 2, 250, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, $420. Wow, I didn't even realize we had that much in here. 400, bless you, $420 for household. Car maintenance gets $20. And I think the Black Stallion, which I've never heard me call it that, but that's my wife's my wife's vehicle. We have black cars. My wife's vehicle. It's all tinted out and stuff. So I'm like, ooh, Black Stallion. Ooh. So car maintenance gets $20. My daughter's shaking her head like, really? And car maintenance gets 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, $120 from 10, 20. So $120 for car maintenance. Woo woo. Or I should go, ha ha. No, that's like a truck, right? Really? All right, so that was pretty fast and that was pretty good. So let's see how much we have left over that is going to be going into our savings challenges, y'all. Okay, let's see. All right, we bought back out. Oh, reliable. Let's see what we have to put into our savings challenges in our next video. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 700 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 120 plus, we still got them 2 10s, y'all. 2 10s plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $1,034 that is going to go into our savings challenges. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, but anyway. And we have, I got to go get that dollar from my wife. We have 1, 2, 3, $4 plus that $5 that's going in here for the BAJ, the big ass jaw. And we have $100 that I probably put towards the $100 challenge. I've been saying a lot of dollars, dollar bill, y'all. The 100 envelope challenge, I'm just probably go ahead and throw that in there. And until next time, thank you guys for rocking with me to the end of this video. If I can do it, you can do it. Keep it moving, keep it going, keep it growing. Please do all the things that you know that you need to do. Well, you don't need to do, but I'm asking you to do it, which is comment, like, share, all the things. Turn on that bell notification. Thank you guys so much. Until next time, where we stuff this money in our savings challenges. I love you guys. Bye.